This is monograph mechanical pencil by Tombow company. A mechanical pencil has its own characteristic. It has several distinct functions that set it apart from traditional wooden pencils. It uses a thin, refillable lid, typically made of graphite. It also has a consistent sharpness. A mechanical pencil offers several benefits such as the precision, writing, and drawing. It provides fine, consistent lines, ideal for any kind of drawing. It also convenience since it doesn't need sharpening. Other than that, we have sustainability. These mechanical pencils are refillable, which reduce the need for purchasing new pencils and create less waste. Lastly, have a durability. Mechanical pencil lasts longer as the body doesn't shorten with use, making them more cost-effective in the long term. These attributes make mechanical pencils versatile tools for students, artists, engineers, and professionals who require precision in their work.